Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix Error Steam E84. Chapter 1. How to fix Error Steam E84 deleting temps. To start, open Settings from the Start menu. Here in the System section, click on Storage. After that, click on Temporary Files and you will wait for all the elements to be loaded. Now check the boxes of the elements to delete. When doing so, click on Remove Files and you must click on Continue to confirm the operation. Chapter 2. How to fix Error Steam E84 adjusting date and time. To start, enter date in the search box. Click on Date and Time Settings. After that, you must enable the switches, Set Time Zone Automatically, and Set Time Automatically. Chapter 3. How to fix Error Steam E84 from shortcut. To begin, right-click on the Steam shortcut. Select Properties. Here, in the target line, at the end, enter the command that you see on the screen. Click Apply and OK. Chapter 4. How to fix Error Steam E84 updating the system. To get started, click on the Start menu and open Settings. Then, in the Windows Update section, you will click on Check for Updates and wait to see if there is an update for the system. Chapter 5. How to fix Error Steam E84 from terminal. To start, right-click on the Start menu and click on Terminal Admin. Click Yes to open the terminal. Here, run the on-screen command to reset the IP properties. Now reset the WinSock catalog. Run the command netch winsock reset. Finally, free the cache. Run the command ipconfig/flush DNS. When you do this, reboot the system to complete the process. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.